Happy Tuesday. Great rising. Hope you're doing well. Let's select our card of the day. Our glory, our greatest glory, consists not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. No matter how high the sky is, standing on tiptoe is closer to the sun. May time not work hard, youth not own. Let's use the front. I like the front. When I see this message, the beauty to life, at least to me, is how we have the power to make the decision after a period of being very down, make the decision to go forward, to rise again. Life continues. Especially when you receive a message, news that someone has passed away. We do not control this like many other things in life. And it can put you very down, very low. And it will happen to everyone many times in life. For some, this is harder than others. But you always have a moment to make the decision to rise again, to go forward. Life goes on. To me, that's the most beautiful thing in life. It's part of life. I like these flowers. It really adds something to the message. This one has grown very tall. This one is low. That is why I like the front. After a mistake, a failure, for example, the sky seems even higher. But remind, standing on tiptoe is closer to the sun, and also actually sometimes because of a failure or mistake, the sky can get even closer without you realizing it yet. And may time not work hard. Keep in mind, age should not be an obstacle. Every path is unique. Every path is different. Okay? So far, the message of the day. Take care. See you tomorrow.